2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, backup camera, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.